there, this is Morgan, and I just recently signed up to be an independent sales representative with Avon, and the package just came in for my starter kit. I was really excited, so I thought I'd share it with you. I went ahead and broke it open to save time to keep the video short and sweet, but I haven't looked at any of it yet. So okay, a couple of brochures, but those will be helpful to share with people. This is like Christmas. Here is mascara. Oh. And eyeshadow. Seems to be a lot of makeup. Sunscreen primer. What is this? A serum for your skin. Almost at the bottom. This one I was so excited about because I love perfume, and I've never really gotten myself like a really nice perfume. I've always gotten like Walmart, Dollar Tree kind of perfume, so this will be really nice to try out and to share with people. And information card talks about all the products here. If you don't know me, I will tell you that I'm a big fan of bubble wrap, but I don't think this pops. They're so big though. Maybe one big pop. Maybe I'll play with the rest later. Last thing, some more information. So I'm really excited to try these new products and to share with you and everyone I know what I think of them. They're probably going to be really good quality, so I'm excited. See you.